Navigation in Boxshot. With a left click, you can rotate based on center of the software or center of the object. The center of the rotation is here, center of the camera. You can see the center is that. You can turn it on. And with this gizmo, you can change the center of the rotation anywhere that you can. This is an 3D gizmo that you can hold and click and drag to change the center of the rotation. The up and down, you can see, you can change the center of the rotation. If you want to, you can turn it off. These are the transformation tool. It's a selection, it's a null tool. If you select it, it means no tool is selected. Then you can select anything that you want. But if you want to rotate based on a specific object, I will show you. For panning, you have to hold a space with left click and pan. For scrolling the mouse is zooming out and in. But it's a vice versa in this software. Going to the file setting and invert mouse wheel for zooming, turn it off in this case. And with like other software, scrolling up, going zoom in, and scrolling down, going zoom out. Again, if you want to fit object in a scene, you can come here and fit to view. You can see it, fit to view open. You can padding, zooming out and in. But this tool is, this section is nice selection only. It means just zoom into the selected, and I want that. Turn it on to zoom on selection, and now you can see rotate based on that object. And the right click is the other tool. Okay, so with holding a space and left click, scrolling, and just left click to rotate, and you can use the fit to selection. And again, to change of the rotation pivot, you can change the camera center. And don't forget to exit the tool with going to the selection tool. That's it.